A high-profile case put a new spotlight on who in Colorado has to report child abuse and how. Olivia Gant was only 7 years old when she died in hospice care after years of medical treatment, now believed to be unnecessary and sometimes harmful to her. Olivia's mother is facing murder charges, and medical records show an internal debate between her caretakers at Children's Hospital, who started to question if this was a case of child abuse during the last few months of her life. Gant's case is used as an example in a new brief published today that says Colorado's mandatory reporter law needs some serious improvements. 9 News reporter Jennifer Meckles walks us through it.
Reporting child abuse and neglect is a really frightening thing. People probably double check themselves. They want to make sure that they're right.
Stephanie Villaforte is the Child Protection Ombudsman for Colorado. She oversees agencies and systems that protect kids and how we can make them better.
Most recently, we've had the Olivia Gant case, who once again brought to light that there's ambiguity about how to make a child abuse report.
In a new 7-page brief, Villaforte's office outlines several problems with Colorado's mandatory reporting law.
What I've seen over the years is we keep adding to the list of people who are required to report, but we're not giving them the training in order to do it well.
She says mandatory reporters should have consistent and mandatory training on how to report abuse. Many have no idea, and some don't know their job requires it. She says the law is too vague on things like how quickly someone should file a report or who exactly is responsible.
The citizens that call our office about their mandatory reporting obligations are good people. They want to do right by kids. The problem is they don't always know how to do that because they're not finding that there's clarity in the law itself.
The Gant case is not the only case behind this conversation that led to this brief, but it does speak to the bigger confusion around how to report. So calling it in yourself or going through work, through chain of command. According to the Ombudsman, the law says the individual professional has the responsibility to report alleged abuse. But the law also allows an institution, a company, a workplace, they can create their own policies as well. And this is one of these situations where Stephanie says this has been a long conversation, an area where they know it's been confusing, something they know needs improved in the law, and here we are talking about it again.
Does she provide any clarity, though? Like, if you are reporting something, do you have to know for a fact? Is it enough to just think?
That is another point of confusion. She said they would really like to clarify. The person who's reporting is purely the reporter, not the investigator on a child abuse case. And people sometimes, she said, are hesitant to report until they feel like they have all the facts. Their job is to simply report it and let a professional take care of the investigative part.
All right. Glad they're looking into this. God knows it's important. Jenny, thank you.